Oh, I'm a little under the weather, so you know what I'm saying. Don't mind that. But before we get into the video, man, I just want to tell y'all I couldn't end the video the way I wanted to because one, we were supposed to go to a car meet up in distant Florida, but we got halfway there, turned around, then went to PC. It's a whole bunch of crazy stuff that happened on that trip, man. But I couldn't end it like I wanted to, but I just had to let y'all know before I get to dropping this video. And another thing with the 309 differential, if you have an RT, I recommend you get that because you're gonna love it. It's like a whole different car. You know what I'm saying? You gonna basically it's gonna feel lighter than what it is. You know what I'm saying? But before y'all get in the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you like. You know what I'm saying? Like it up. And I appreciate all the love and support. And when I hit the 500 subscribers, I'm gonna be doing a giveaway. So, and the giveaway is going to involve me putting a starlight in whoever car. But right now it's going to be local. So, until then, I'm going to up my game up because y'all show me love, so I'm going to show love back. So, with that giveaway, I'm going to have everything written on my social media. It's going to be down below in the description box. So, like I say, be prepared for it. You know what I'm saying? It's your boy Melt, man. I'm out. Bitch, slack. Yurt. Before you even get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button. That's the little red button down there, you know what I'm saying? It's free too, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna lie to you. Free don't cost you nothing. And make sure you hit that like button. But anyway, today's video, man, I'm gonna be swapping out my differential. I'm gonna go into detail about that too. To a 309 though. You feel me? Couldn't get y'all to film because I was at work, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna break it down to what it is, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna let y'all see the old one first. Hold on. This gonna be the old one right here. For every Dodge RT, yeah, they big, man. So this the old one, you know what I'm saying? This right here allow you to both of your wheels to spin, and this is the 262 open. And you don't want that for real, I'm gonna be real with you. And I'm gonna explain to you, hold up. So the reason why you don't want the 262, man, on the Dodge RT, because for one, you're not gonna get both wheels to spin. And if you like to slide and if you're a true racer, you want both of your tires to spin at the same time, you feel me? And that's the flaw in starting out with a 5.7, you feel me? Because like, say for instance, if I want to slide, if I was a slider if I want to do that all the time, when I say slide, drifting, for the people who don't know, then only gonna get one tire to spin, you feel me? And that's boring. Nobody want that. And if you're a racer, you definitely don't want that. You're gonna lose every time because you're not getting all your power to both tires. So that's the differential right there. That's brand new. You know what I'm saying? I didn't want to get a used one because, you know what I'm saying, I don't want nobody else dogging it out. I want to be the one who dogging it out, you feel me? When I go to the track, you know what I'm saying, I get all my power on both tires, you feel me, instead of that one just burning. Because I know previously I seen 5.7 owners, they be trying to burn out and peel off. They don't leave it one tire mark, you know what I'm saying? You feel me? I used to be one of them, you know what I'm saying? I ain't, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? If you have a 5.7, dog, make sure, this really should be one of your top 3 mods before you even start really minding the car. Because one, nobody don't want that. Y'all know you want to have fun. I know you want to slide. I know you want to be able to race. You know what I'm saying? So now, if I race against like scats and 5.7s, I know with the scats, I know I'm going to be up there with them. But if they spin, I'm going to win. But at a 5.7, I know I'm going to be the 5.7 because one, all they power ain't going to both wheels. All my power going to go to both wheels and I'm out of there. Plus with all my other mods, come on, man. Oh, as y'all can tell, but it's back hot, man. I'm finna talk to y'all real quick, make sure ain't nothing gonna come on real quick in the car. But as y'all know, it's finna get hot, so spring break finna come up, so a lot of events finna come up. So if y'all trying to see me ride, I ain't gonna say ride with me. You ain't really ride with me anyway. But you know what I'm saying? Y'all come hang out, man. Come hang out with your boy. You know what I'm saying? I probably be in PC. Montgomery, like different car shows everywhere, you know what I'm saying? I'll be there, you know what I'm saying? Cause I gotta brand myself. Then on top of that, you know what I'm saying? The boys finna pop back out, everybody finna start pulling the cars back out and having fun, you know what I'm saying? So it's gonna be a good spring / summer, you know what I'm saying?
What you think about Cameron car?
Some think?
What color is it?
I don't know.
Oh, you said camera car ain't green, camera car blue. I said it's blue on the other side.
What color?
Green?
Yo.
Come on, you want to see the other side?
What?
Yeah, somebody had scratched it in Auburn when I was gone.
When?
Last weekend.
You got right?
Yeah.
Right.
I don't know. I think some little kids did it.
You sure it's that?
Yeah, that's what the apartment complex is.
Damn.
Yeah, man, you know what I'm saying? That's my OG. You feel me? Like I said earlier, that's one of the reasons why I got into college, you know what I'm saying? So, you know what I'm saying? I really lost the words. For real. But, hold on. Back in for so, I said for four. Yeah, but anyway, though, so looking ahead, bro, car shows, I'm gonna chill out my car. I'm gonna let my car speak for itself and all. So if I do mine, it's gonna be something little, like, you know what I'm saying, put my name somewhere else, side skirt, like, it's little stuff. But other than that, it's finna go up, you know what I'm saying? Like I told y'all, I got the 309 differential. So now I can slide my car, then I can get both, all power to both my wheels. Then, but let me tell y'all real quick. For the past 2 days, bro, like I've been bloated, bro. I've been down, so I couldn't be able to record. I've been backed up. You know what I'm saying? I couldn't boo-boo. What you mean? I don't care. Y'all family me, I'm telling y'all. But other than that, bro, I'm finna head back up to the shop. And, you know what I'm saying? See what my boy got going. I know everybody out, so, you know what I'm saying? Stay locked in with your boy. You feel me? Slack. 60. Yo. That boy get nasty in that thing.
You gotta buy me another one. Alright. Let you know. Cause I know how to ride my shit. But I'm not a goddamn pop. Alright. You off into that? You might try to spin. Knowing you.
Hey, brother, y'all check him out, bro. Y'all check your front out. Boy, what? Boy? It ain't your fault though.
Bro, go eat, bro. Come on, bro. I thought you were gonna do it if I pay for your food.
My soul, I never seen Ella's on the crops. Push that bitch.
Y'all check Ant out. He don't never do nothing hard work, wild boy. There you go, Ant. Proud of you.
Try y'all leave.
Appreciate that, bro.
Start at 1. So I like that.
Bro.
That week at home. Bro.
Hey man, look.
That boy threw back his teeth in, bro. Y'all seen he over there trying to take a picture.
No, it ain't none of that.
Look at him, he trying to show his teeth, bro.
Fuck them diamonds and shit, man.
2 hours later.
Shit, super globe. Fucking over, man. Yeah.
606, the fucking playboy.
Big 13. How you trippin'? Look how you trippin'. Yeah. Look how you trippin'. Had to tell that how you trippin'. Last year I was broke as fuck, but now I'm getting it. And these niggas steady dropping salt. To all these bitches. I made 20 reps before I'm 20, and I'm still getting it. If I stay tonight, that pussy trash on guys eating that Wendy's. I say last year I was broke as fuck, but now I'm getting it. And these niggas steady dropping salt. To all these bitches. I made 20 reps before I'm 20, and I'm still getting it. If I stay tonight, that pussy trash on guys eating that Wendy's. Hey, on God, we ain't getting no steak. Hey, on God, we ain't going no date. If the police hit the lights on me, on God, it's gonna be a chase. Got hit with a Glock, went live with a K. I had to cut him like he was a K. I told my little bitch, tap me on the face. I take it to trial, I'm beating the case. I was a G, getting head in the movie. Skipping the class, they thought I was stupid. I run up a door, they like how you do. Got booked 14 out the hand, I threw it. Now I ain't tripping, it'll come back tomorrow. All 14 still breaking in cars. I valet the wood, now I don't even park. I valet the wood, now I don't even park. Last shit out broke it fuck. But now I'm getting it. And these niggas steady dropping salt. To all these bitches. I make 20 rap before I'm 20. And I'm still getting it. If I stay tonight, that pussy trash on guys eating that Wendy's. I say last year I was broke it fuck. Let's go. But now I'm getting it. And these niggas steady dropping salt. To all these bitches. I make 20 rap before I'm 20. And I'm still getting it. If I stay tonight, that pussy trash on guys eating that Wendy's.
I say nigga be acting gangster, but be pussy, I see straight through it. You want some smoke, let's do it. We pull up with chops and glocks and get straight to it. Hey, how about with sticks? This not an AR, this a car. I pay, but she told me, oh, yeah, be bar. Dissing, but see me in person, say sorry. Pay for a walk, cause you don't party. Big ass Glock, why the fuck I'm on? I really put that shit on. Mix that Dior with that chrome heart. And this car here automatic, push the button and it's gon' start. Keep the Glock, don't need no keys. My stick like my lights, don't need ID. I'm selling these fiends, can't get no sleep.
Shit out broke it fuck. But now I'm getting it. And these niggas steady dropping salt. To all these bitches. I make 20 rap before I'm 20. And I'm
I ran over something on the left lane.
Come on, when you running over there?
No, on the left lane. I ran over something.
Now, why would you go?
I ain't ran over nothing.
But this nigga went on the. I was like, oh my god, I was driving around. I ran over something. I thought it was the police.
I'm talking about as soon as I said, why he doing that? All them nails and glass over that bitch.
I didn't
This nigga time is the whole exit.
I seen it on the left lane.
What was?
It was a piece of top. I ain't running over on the west side. But shit, they ain't got no Walmart on 220. If anything, I'll leave this bitch up.
Leave it here.
What's that ain't They got full carry.
Sunday fun day. You feel me? Having a good time. That's how it really supposed to be, bro. I told y'all when it get back hot, you feel me? They supposed to get, I think, flocking other cars. Yeah, flocking other cars. That's how it's supposed to be for real, for real. You can't be sitting in the house. You about to get hot. You need to be outside doing something, especially if you got a car. Yeah. Right now, y'all see you got a flat. You can't fit. But they stay locked in. I don't know, we're a little tired. We're in Florida right now. So I'll turn back on the camera with everything is situated. Feel me?
At the light, use the left 3 lanes to turn onto Panama City Beach Parkway.
Baby.